That's what we're after, the smallies. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Live to Fish. My name is Joe, I'm the host of the channel, and today I'm going to talk all about that smallie bite here on Lake St Clair. Well, I'm out here at Anchor Bay, which is part of Lake St Clair, because not everybody has access to a boat, not everybody can get down to those mile roads, but I'll tell you what, this time of year, mid-May, end May, beginning of June, those smallies are coming in. And they're coming in shallow. So today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to get on that smallmouth bite from shore. You don't have to get way out there. They're coming in shallow. So if you're new to the channel, do me a favor. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and don't forget, leave me a comment down below. So let's stop talking about it and let's get to it. Let's get to some fishing. Careful. Well, not what we were going for, but a good sized bass nonetheless. Well, not the target species, but not a bad looking little largemouth. I'll take it. All right, there you go, buddy. Good job. Go on. There you go. Now, as I was saying, you want to be careful on this riprap here. That's why I always wear my skate shoes.
Now, the conditions for this particular day were pretty ideal. We were coming off a warming trend, and the barometric pressure was dropping due to some storms coming into the area. Now, keep in mind that the reverse is also true. If you're on the end of a cold front that came through, and the barometric pressure is now dropping again for another change in the temperature, those are the best times to get out there and catch the fish. They're going to be very active during those barometric pressure drops.
All right. Well, it's looking like another multi-species day. Nice little rock bass. Go. The rock bass, of course. So the rock bass are out in full force. He's got some cool markings on him too. Check that out. That's pretty sweet. Now, one of the most difficult things about hammering these banks for smallmouth is, just like a friend told me a while back, it is all about them coming to you. On a boat, you can go right to where they're at, right to the spawn points. On shore, you have to wait for the right conditions for them to come in for you to get them. So it's a game of persistence and it's a game of patience. You have to just keep hitting it as the conditions change and as they improve, and you'll land one. Pretty sure it's going to be another rock. Water speed like that. Good chance of it. Nope. Well, a little upgrade in the species chain, but still not what we're looking for. But we're getting there. Oh, and it broke off. Doggone it. Out of that time. Stay down. All right, now that is a first for me out here. Just caught a walleye on the Ned rig. Bizarro. Awesome. All right, we're gonna let this guy go for dinner for another day for someone else.
Coming up next on Live to Fish, we're going to get into the lures you can use from the bank to catch those smallmouth.